Hey YouTube, what up? Welcome back to the channel. So I got another unboxing, setup, and first flight video for you guys today. I got the iFlight Nazgul. It's an iFlight FPV Nazgul. It's got crossfire on it. It's the 4S version, the 5-inch Freestyle drone, Nazgul5. But it's 4S, which is cool because I don't have any 4S, so I'm happy. Let's unbox this thing, get it set up, and try to take it for a flight. Let's get it set up, get it bound, get all the modes set up, and unbox it first. So here we go. Let's unbox this drone. All right, guys, here we go. iFlight Nazgul 5-inch 4S with crossfire. Let's unbox it, see what it looks like, and then we're gonna get it set up. Some propellers, some more propellers, a little bag of goodies, prop nuts, all the stuff we need to finish it up. Oh wow, look at that, guys. That thing looks nice. Heck yeah. Got the Zing 2750 kV motors, black, Immortal T. I like having that Immortal T. 4S too. I don't have any 4S 5-inch drones. All my 5-inch drones are 6S, so this is a perfect addition to the fleet. I'm super happy to get this, guys. Yes! Many great videos coming. This will carry the Insta, GoPro, whatever. And it's got crossfire and all the TPU in gray. I like the way it looks. I might put some of those skids on it. I got one set of skids left. I think I will. I'll probably put them on here. I like having those skids for the bigger drones. And there's the antenna for it. Let's go ahead and pop that on real quick. Nice antenna setup. I wish I could get some of the antennas on my drone set up like this. That is nice. Perfect. Not too big. Anyway, guys, there it is. Let's get it bound to my controller and then get into beta flight and set up the modes and then take it for a flight. So here we go. All right, guys, let's get on with this. So here we go. I got everything set up. I might have to turn this little fan on if it starts having to sit for a minute and getting hot. If we have to plug the battery in and stuff, I'll turn that fan on. It might be a little noisy, but it's got to be done. So right now we're gonna bind it to the radio through TBS Agent X on my computer. That's how I bind. And I just plug this TBS module on the back of my controller into the computer and start up TBS Agent X. And it's already got it green lit up there, XF Micro TX, which is the module, I guess, on the back of the controller. Now we're just gonna plug in the drone. And the crossfire light don't come on, so that means we got to plug in the battery. I'm going to turn on the fan now so it don't get hot. There we go. Now the crossfire light is on. There we go. It's binding right up. Updating it first, and then it's going to bind it up. So then after that, then we got to go into beta flight, check the modes, double check everything, make sure it's ready to go. Leave you on for a minute here until we get this thing bound up. Yep, it's bound now. Cool. Now we can go in and check the modes and everything. Alright guys, here we go. Let's finish getting this thing set up. It's the next day. I didn't get this stuff finished last night, but let's finish up this video and try to take this thing for a test flight here in a little while. We got to do the modes.
Welcome to OpenTX.
I got it bound up. We got to do the modes and make sure we're getting video in the goggles here. I got them over here out of the picture. Turn the fan on. Let's see if we have to. We may not have to connect the battery. We're just trying to do modes and stuff for now. Make sure we got stick movement, all that kind of stuff. Well, Oh, I want to test the video too, so let's go ahead and plug it in. No video yet. Oh well, let's get the modes and stuff set up. We'll figure that out in a minute. Just getting this stuff set up here, guys. The configuration tab. And all of that stuff, the modes. Make sure I got stick movement, all that kind of stuff. So I'm gonna get this stuff done. And then get video signal. Get it ready to take it for its first test flight, basically. Alright guys, I got the modes. Now we just need to do a double check of everything and get video. So here we go, we're going to do that in just a second. Alright guys, so we've gotten it bound, we've gotten the modes done. Basically it's all set up. We just got to figure out how to get video. So here we go, we're going to get the video signal sorted out. Take it for a test flight, wrap up this video. Notice I got the props off. Yeah, I did that one programming on Betaflight on that Cinewhoop with the props on. I should have taken them off, but luckily nothing happened. That can be dangerous, doing any kind of tuning with your props on. Anytime you have to plug the battery in and you're not going to fly, the props should be off. Get this on ABN setting. So I got fuzzy screen. R8. Yep. We got video now. Oh, we gotta go set up the OSD. Yeah, that's the last thing I gotta do. I got video now, I just gotta set up the OSD. It's on R8. So let's get the OSD set up and then we're gonna take it for his first flight. There it is, guys. We're out here to finish up the video. I finally got a break from the wind. There's little brief gusts, but nothing like it has been the last few days. I'm out here we're trying to finish up this video for this this iFlight Nazgul5. So I got my 1300 milliamp hour battery on there and my Hero 5 session. I custom printed that mount, that little mount right there. I printed that on my printer at home. It's not TPU, but you don't need that part to be TPU. Then I got my goggles with my TBS Fusion on there. An update just come out for the TBS Fusion. Mr. Steele was talking about it, so I updated my my TBS Fusion. It's got the new 2.15 update on it. Seems to work a lot better. I still haven't figured out fully how that thing works, but I'm gonna get it figured out. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna put you on this Hero 5 session right here on the drone, and we're gonna rip it around and see how it flies. Roll the footage.
looking for something you might have missed?
I was flying my phone. Oh, there it is.
Yeah, it crashed into my front yard.
Oh, I'm sorry. I was trying to turn around and I lost signal.
Yeah, no worries.
Appreciate you, man.
Yep. I just left you a message on. I didn't know if you could still see the camera or not, so I was like.